To set up the scooter, pull the scooter base and the handlebar out of the box. Push the handlebar into the base and pull out the red push button to lock the handlebar to the scooter body. To raise or lower the handlebars, release the clamp lock at the top of the bar and push the button lock to slide the bar up or down. Now, close the clamp lock to secure the bar. To adjust the height of the seat, remove the bottom screw and loosen the top screw on the seat connector. Now slide the seat up or down, replace the screws and fasten the connector to the bar. To remove the seat, remove both screws on the seat connector and remove the seat from the bar. Store the seat with the screws on the connector. To fold the scooter, lift the seat into an upright position and squeeze the red button on the handlebar and pull the handlebar out of the base. Turn the bar face down and push the handlebar back into the base. Listen for the click to confirm that it's locked in securely.